The internet disrupted media and commerce. All the value that was in ABC, NBC, CBS went to Netflix. All the value of mom and pop stores went to Amazon. This entire 30-year period has seen a massive shift, but it's tiny compared to financial services. Financial services is the biggest industry in the world. It's a 7 trillion with a T. And the T word is such a big number that people are numb to it, right?
Hey, what's going up, bull runners? Welcome back to the channel. What an amazing, amazing day. I mean, picture this. You're sitting there watching the crypto market twist and turn like a roller coaster that you can't get off of. The prices go up, they go down, and just when you think you've got it all figured out, boom, something wild happens and the whole game changes. And today, that's exactly what is unfolding right before your eyes. Ripple's XRP just skyrocketed to $3 for a moment there, wiping out over $55 million in short bets, just gone, just like that. And that's not all. XRP, Solana, and Cardano are trading at a premium on Coinbase. A signal so big that it's got traders buzzing like bees around honey. But here's the secret pulling you in even more. There's a reason behind this chaos, a massive force shaking the crypto world awake. Imagine the thrill of being ahead of the pack, knowing what's driving these surges before everyone else catches on. You can almost feel it, can't you? The pulse of excitement, that itch to understand what's really happening. Well, stick with me, because in the next few minutes, we're going to uncover the news that's lighting up the charts today. News that could change how you see crypto forever. And trust me, you don't want to blink, because it's the ride that's just getting started. And make sure you stick with me till the end, where we're going to give you an exclusive sneak peek at our crypto community, Altcoin Pro. Our crypto community is absolutely crushing it. We're talking top-notch education, real-time updates, and a crew that's riding these waves to success. And if you're like most people where you don't have the opportunity to spend all of these hours in the crypto markets like we do every single day and bring it to you in a condensed manner, well, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that out. And if you're feeling bullish about this current bull run, let me know by commenting 777 down below. Plus, today we'll be jumping over to X to find out all of the breaking news that's happening in the crypto world today. We'll dive deeper into XRP, Solana, ADA, Coinbase premium surge to a monthly high after Trump's crypto reserve news. And we'll deep dive into XRP surge to $3 today with a slight pullback over the last couple hours, but it triggered over $55 million in short liquidation. But first, let's take a look at coin market cap and look at the overall health of the crypto market. So first and foremost, crypto market cap is up 9.14% today, up to $3.1 trillion. And that's up from the February 28th low of $2.6 trillion. So a great move to the upside, $180 billion in volume today. Fear and greed index coming in at 39. Just a couple of days ago on February 27th, it was all the way down at 21. Yesterday at 22 and already spiking up to 39. People are fired up about the crypto markets again. Altcoin season index only coming in at a 16. So they are still saying it's Bitcoin season. As you can see over here, it has dropped significantly low. Price is surging up, which is nice. But as you can see, we're at a 16 on altcoin season. We need to be up in the 75s for it to be considered altcoin season. And as we've been covering, the crypto ETFs have been really, really negative over the last couple of weeks here. With this huge news, I cannot understand how big tomorrow is going to be. Could we see $100, $200, $300 million worth of flows into ETFs? And as expected, the top 5 trending coins, according to Coin Market Cap, number 1 is Bitcoin, up to $92,000, which is nice, up 7%. XRP, baby, up 29% to $2.84 currently. Ethereum up to $24.59, up 10%. And an absolute moonshot from ADA to $1.07, up 63%. Coming in at number 5, we've got Solana at 173. And when it comes to cryptocurrencies by total market cap, of course, Bitcoin's still leading the way at $1.8 trillion. How soon will it get back above $2 trillion for the market? Ethereum currently sitting at 296 billion, very close at 300 billion mark again. XRP coming in at number 3 at $164 billion. Tether stablecoin, so we skip it. Solana making a huge move, overtaking BNB for the number 5 spot. Barely. Take a look at this. At 88 billion, 128. That's interesting here, guys. How is that possible when BNB has an 88,416? So in reality, the market cap is higher on BNB, but it has not taken over the fifth position. Before we jump into our top headlines, let's see what's happening over on X. First and foremost, David Sachs, our crypto czar, did come out and tweet about today. President Trump has announced a crypto strategic reserve consisting of Bitcoin and other top cryptocurrencies. And this is consistent with his week 1 executive order 14178. President Trump is keeping his promise to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the world. More to come at the summit. And don't forget, the summit's coming very, very soon this upcoming month. In response to that, an interesting tweet from Brian Armstrong coming out here saying, excited to learn more, still forming an opinion on this asset allocation, but my current thinking is just Bitcoin would probably be the best option. So Brian Armstrong hating on the other coins in there. He said simplest and clear story is a successor to gold. And number 2, if folks wanted a more variety, you could do a market cap weighted index of crypto assets to keep it unbiased. But probably option 1 is the easiest from Brian Armstrong. Let me know what you think about that. Do you think that it should only be Bitcoin? And the XRP guy over here on X, he's been doing this really cool post here that I've been following. So giving him a little credit out there because he's got a good, go follow him on X, the XRP guy. Breaking, we are now at phase 5 of the XRP rise to dominance. RLUSD was released. Trump got inaugurated. Gary Gensler was officially out. And now we got the XRP strategic reserve. It is going to be there for sure. Ripple case ends next. How soon can that be? Is it already over? We just don't know it yet because they can't announce it. But with Trump announcing that XRP is in the reserve, he obviously knows something about the case. Then alt season starts with reality. Alt season hasn't actually even started yet. We had a nice pump the end of November, but not all coins have really ripped to the upside. Ripple named Big Bank Partnership, which they've already done a whole bunch of those, but we'll see maybe the Federal Reserve Bank. And then XRP ETF approval. Those are already recognized, but they are pending approval. So lots and lots of big things still ahead for XRP. We will look at the XRP charts at the end of this video as well. Is the push already over? That's the first thing we're going to take a look at. And the craziest, most fishy thing that ever happened to crypto Twitter was this right here just yesterday. So saying right here, going 50x long on Ethereum and Bitcoin with $200 million is crazy. I don't know if you guys saw this going down yesterday. And it was like, I mean, obviously there's a few signs that maybe this was the bottom. The fear and greed is maxed out. Altcoin season, saying Bitcoin season. A lot of RSIs are in the very, very oversold territory, things of those nature. So, hey, there's some signals that a bottom could be in. But for someone to go heavy, 50x leverage, $200 million worth of leveraged trades out there. This was either a very rich degenerate or a market maker that is about to move the market in a meaningful way. And remember, this post was on March 1st. March 1st at 4:44 p.m. Okay, so before the Trump announcement, this was yesterday. If this market would have dipped 2%, he would have gotten wiped out for all of his millions of dollars. Now it's a 50x, so he didn't have the full $200 million of his own money in there. But regardless, okay, so that happened yesterday. And then today, obviously, we have the moonshot. And John Deaton, he posted out there, hard to not believe that this someone who knew we would get news, incredibly positive news today. I'd like to hear Stool Presidente's view on this action. And the last post I saw, the trader in this trade ended up closing his long trade. He made $60 million. Altcoin Daily posted the 15 top made in the USA coins known in 2025. So we got XRP, Solana, Ondo, Trump, Supra, Engine, HBAR, DOT, Algo, Link, Litecoin, Filecoin, Dogecoin, STX, Super, AVAX, Pangu, and Pro. Bonus would be Bitcoin. Satoshi Nakamoto did make that here in the United States, potentially. The NSA made it, potentially. Who do you think Nakamoto is down below? Let me know. Is it potentially David Schwartz, XRP CTO? Brad Garlinghouse also weighing on a big news today. I've said this before, the crypto industry will achieve our goals and beyond if we work together. Appreciate the crypto president, real Donald Trump's vision of a government digital asset reserve representative of the industry. Maximalism is the enemy of the industry's progress. Glad to see POTUS recognizing that we live in a multi-chain world, that we're finally moving past Bill Hinman and the Biden administration, SEC, very broken thinking. I will certainly continue to champion this while in Washington at the end of this week. And then our major X account right here. Don't forget to follow us either. BULLRUNNERS, BULLRUNNERS HQ on X.com. Unity's the key. Trump's multi-chain reserve vision is a crypto game changer. Maximalism's dead. The Biden's SEC mess is history. Let's build the future together. And speaking of the SEC versus the XRP case, Jeremy Hogan had a great post today. The delay in settling Ripple's case, as pointed out by James below, is likely the injunction in Judge Torres' judgment. The court enjoined Ripple from basically moving sales directly to customers. There are workarounds for that, but obviously Ripple would rather not have this injunction at all. So assuming the SEC is willing to work on this with them, the issue is this. Once a court issues an injunction, the parties themselves can't simply agree between them to disregard the injunction. Trust me, many men have gotten into legal trouble by thinking that it's since they got back with their girlfriend that they could ignore the restraining order or a type of injunction against being within 200 feet of her. That's a great analogy right there. So how do you resolve an injunction? It's not simple, which is why I think the case doesn't resolve until April or May, whereas all these other cases have already been dismissed. Hey, bull runners, are you feeling FOMO about this bull run without the right financial support? We're here to change that. We're not just about funding, we're about growing your business together. Whether you're investing in crypto, kicking off a new startup, managing your existing business, or looking to expand, we have personalized funding that meets your exact needs. Imagine starting your business or getting capital to invest $100,000 to $250,000 at 0% interest. That's not a dream, it's what we do. We've helped countless entrepreneurs like you with 0% interest funding without needing personal funds, income verification, or collateral. With just a 680 credit score, you qualify. We understand that your business can't wait, so take advantage of our quick funding approach. We look beyond the credit score with inclusive approval process that sees the big picture of your business or investment potential. Our flexible repayments are tailored to match your business cycles, ensuring you can manage repayments without strain. With access to our extensive lending network of over 5,000 options, we're committed to finding the perfect match for your business or investing needs. Plus, you'll have our dedicated team by your side, guiding you through every step of the funding journey. Whether it's buying crypto, hiring new employees, or launching a new product, we're committed to your success. Click the link to connect with our expert advisors and secure your business's future now. As I'm sure you all saw today, Ripple's move did surge past $3, triggering over $55 million in short liquidations. The impact that Trump has had on these markets cannot be understated. After his landslide win in the elections in November, all crypto assets shot up. It was one of the best Novembers we've had in a very, very long time. Many coins hit their all-time highs, but his questionable actions ever since he took office in regards to Russia-Ukraine war and its trade war against several countries brought excess pain to the crypto space, as a total market cap bled out over $800 billion within a week. Ripple's token XRP has felt the consequences each time, with massive price increases and subsequent crashes. The past few hours solidified this narrative. Trump confirmed on his social media that much anticipated crypto reserve and said Solana, ADA, and XRP will be part of the crypto strategic reserve. He even did that before adding in Bitcoin, Ethereum as well, which he loves. And if you head over to President Trump's X account, it hasn't even populated over to X yet. It is still on Truth Social only. But you do a little deeper digging, and Eric Trump has posted it for us already. A screenshot from Truth Social: a U.S. crypto reserve will elevate the critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration, which is why my executive order on digital assets directed the Presidential Working Group to move forward on the crypto strategic reserve, including the very first token he mentions here, ladies and gentlemen, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. I'll make sure the U.S. is crypto capital of the world. We are making America great again. Then a few minutes later, he did add in, and obviously BTC and Ethereum, as other valuable cryptocurrencies will be at the heart of the reserve. I also love Bitcoin and Ethereum. So he had to throw that in there, make sure he pumped the whole market. So great job, Trump. The entire market did turn green, but the initial trio stole the show with massive double-digit pumps. XRP, for example, went from $2.22 to over $3 within minutes, giving him more than 35% rise in value. Its explosive move has left nearly $57 million in liquidations within a 4-hour window. And the other main headline we cover is XRP, Solana, ADA, and of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum are added to the crypto strategic reserve. We've already gone over all of that, but I just wanted to let you know that that was the main topic of today for crypto. And as you know, we've been following along with these weekly spider lines. These are support and resistance lines that if you track back on the weekly time frame from the drop of 2018 and you draw a ray from the top of each candle, and the center point is our high of 2021, and it draws an extending ray into the future. Right now, this green line, which is from February 5th of 2018, is where we're coming into a support level. We can see we blew through all of these on that candle yesterday. It was the last day of the weekly candle. We have pretty much zeroed out on this short-term momentum wave that we've been talking about for so long. We're actually lower than the level of our launch in November. So as we can see right here, it turned green, started moving up on the weekly charts right here, November 4th, even the week prior to that, October 28th's candle was the last red candle on the move to the upside. The big strong move that happened yesterday ended up rejecting right off of our yellow spider line, which comes to us from the week of February 19th. So let's plug that one in. February 19th of 2018. So we rejected off the February 19th, 2018 candle yesterday. We have the new candle that just opened up a couple of hours ago. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Look how beautiful that candle yesterday was. It was a total of a 39% move to the upside from the very bottom of that candle. Did have a little retracement. Right now, we are at our support of $2.80. If we hold this level and we surge back up above this $3 candle, we could see that move back into the 327 resistance, which is where our all-time high got stumbled on at that $3.40 level. After we break through that, then we can get up into this level up here, which is $3.60 level. As you can see, our short-term momentum wave on the daily has already started curving up nicely. It has quite a way to run still. Adding in our long-term momentum wave, the wolf pack, it has not crossed over the daily zero line. So it is not officially a bullish market yet for the daily charts. The weekly charts are still very bullish. And if this starts to turn up, we could ride for several weeks to the upside. I mean, the last move that we saw from the bottom to the top of this got us all the way up to our all-time high. But the actual straight up rise before a pullback got us to that same exact rejection level of the $3 there. Then we had a pullback and then the surge up. So weekly still looking strong. Daily, if we can have another continuation, our short-term momentum wave's definitely bullish right now. The only thing I don't like is that it was one straight candle, leaving a huge fair value gap right here. So if we lose this level of $2.80, we could likely retest these levels down here at $2.50 before the move up. On our 4-hour charts, we can see that we have now crossed over the zero line. So we are in bullish momentum for long-term for the 4-hour. Our short-term cycle has maxed out at 100. So that may reset for us as well down to zero again. So to the upside, we're looking at breaking above $3 and then moving to $3.30 and then up to $3.60. To the downside, if we lose this level here at 281, we could see a return back to 250 and then even potentially back to 223. But with all this positive momentum coming into the markets right now and a full body candle close above this level here, we haven't been above this level on a body close since February 2nd. So we'll continue to keep you updated. Make sure you subscribe and check out Altcoin Pro. Take a look.
Hey, bull runners, check this out. If you want to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, or even 100x altcoin in this video, listen to this. Our research team posted GOAT on the 13th of October of 2024 when it was right at a penny, and since then it rallied to over $1 and is currently still up over 5,000%. That's like turning $1,000 into over $50,000. Our team called Pendle at only a $16 million market cap, or 16 cents, back on February 18th of 2023, all the way back here, and since then it's rallied up over 4,000%. That's a 40x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $40,000. Our team also called BitTensor Tau September 15th, 2022, before the token was ever even launched. And since then, Tau has rallied over 2,000%. That's a 20x. Our team even said Solana is most likely to be one of the easiest trades next year, and this was posted December 29th, 2022, on the day that Solana bottomed out at around $8. And since then, Solana looks like it's up over 2,500%. That's a 25x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $25,000. And the bull run is just getting started. The list goes on and on and on. Our team called Sui, Ondo, and even some of the biggest cult-based meme coins like MOG back in July 20th of 2023, the day that MOG launched. So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself, on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers. Hey, bull runners, if you want more money to invest in the crypto market, did you know that there's billions of dollars in federal cash for businesses that kept paying their W-2 employees despite dealing with the government shutdowns in 2020 to 2021 during the pandemic that caused massive supply chain issues? So if you have or you know any businesses that have W-2 employees, you could qualify for up to $26,000 per employee with no maximum limit through the Federal Employee Retention Credit Program when you click the link in the description of this video. Now, this isn't a loan, it's an IRS cash refund, and businesses have been getting back hundreds of thousands of dollars through this over the last few years. So to see if you qualify, all you need to do is click the link in the description below this video right now to schedule a free consultation with a dedicated ERC expert. But you have to act fast because the deadline to apply and share with as many businesses as possible is April 15th this year. And you can also sign up as an affiliate below, share with businesses that have W-2 employees, and earn 2% on their refunds. All they do is they simply click your link, they schedule a consultation before April 15th, and they will see how much they qualify to get back. So this is a great way to get money back in your pocket to invest in the crypto market before the next major breakout. And most businesses have missed out on this credit because the ERC qualifications have changed 3 times over the years. So if you were told in the past that you didn't qualify for this, there's actually a chance now that you do qualify. So click the link below, schedule a free consultation today, and let's help you get some money back in your pocket this bull run. And if you know any businesses that have W-2 employees, sign up as an affiliate right now through the link below. Share your link with as many businesses as possible before April 15th, and let's get you paid.